How much does an electrician make in South Africa? The average salary of an electrician in South Africa is 12,500 US dollars a year. After tax, that average annual gross salary drops to $11,100, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $925 each month. Electrician wages in major hubs are higher because big projects need skilled workers. So someone working in Johannesburg brings home $12,800 after tax. That sounds like a big jump, but higher rent in the city takes a big cut, meaning life outside Johannesburg is often just as affordable on lower electrician income. New workers start well below this average electrician salary in South Africa, though pay goes up fast as you gain experience before it levels off. Having a degree also adds up to higher pay, and that same qualification helps you move into roles like site supervisor or electrical manager. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial wiring brings in even more money over time.